Hi, Shafek. Just to answer a few questions of yours from our phone conversation. So, if you want to turn off the microphone or the camera for the students, this is how you would do it. You would click on this little thing here. It's called My Settings. It kind of looks like a gear. You click on it, and then you get this screen. Scroll down, and then you get a heading called Session Settings. Click on the little down arrow here, and that'll expand it for you. Really, if the video were on, all four of these boxes would be checked in green. You can turn off video by unchecking this box and making it white. Then you can do the same thing if you don't want them to be able to share audio with their microphones. This one for posting chat messages, and this one for their ability to draw on the whiteboard. All right, now, if you're finished early, if you finish your word problem with the students early and you have nothing else to do, then come over to Symbaloo. This is it here. The link will be in my email to you. And then you'll come over here and click on Math Videos. And then you can show any of these. So here, I'll click on one. I think I clicked on Pirate. I think this one's about subtract or adding. All right, so this is what you'll see, and then click the center play button here for play video. And then the video will just play. The video is 4 minutes long. Okay, the video is about 4 minutes long. So if you find that you've all finished that and you still have time left, then all right, what you would do is you would close the tab. And then here are other videos that you can show. So maybe you would show this one. Click on that. I don't know what happened there. So, all right, then maybe you would show this one. Hit the play button in the center. You get the idea.